Are you ready to travel? To virtually explore the world? Join me on today's adventure to the National Museum of Anthropology. The National Museum of Anthropology is located in Mexico and is home to over 600,000 artifacts from the Mayans, Olmecs, and Aztecs. It is the largest museum in the country. So are you ready to go check it out? What you'll need is a computer with Google Streets access. Let's go!
In Google, search for the National Museum of Anthropology. On the right-hand side, click on the map view. We'll want to zoom in close to the museum so you can use the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right-hand side. But let's zoom on in until you start to see the outline of the building like that. But we want to keep on zooming in even a little bit more. So it takes up the whole screen, just like that. You can click and drag with your mouse to center. All right, time to grab our street view friend, Pegman, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. We are going to click and drag them on over. You'll want to place them along a blue line. And luckily, there's tons of those at this museum, so we're going to drop them here. And now we're inside the museum. How cool! So what you can do to take a look around is click and drag with your mouse, just like that. And I see already the most famous piece in this museum. Gonna head on over there, which you can see the arrows on the floor. You're going to click on those to advance throughout the museum. But here we go. It's the Stone of the Sun, also known as the Aztec calendar. I'm going to continue over here to this panel on the wall so we can learn more about it. There we go. The Stone of the Sun. Using the wheel on your mouse, you could zoom in and read it. Awesome. I'm going to take a look around more. There is so much to explore in this museum. The X's are good places to go and stop and take a look around. Now, if you get stuck in one place and want to explore another part of the museum, you'll click on this arrow in the upper left-hand corner to go back to the street view. Grab your Pegman again, and let's drop them in another part of the museum. I'm going to head over to this north side here. And now I see some pottery. Again, I'm going to back out just one more time to see what else I can show you real quick before you go off on your adventure. Grab my Pegman friend, and let's drop him on the south side of the building. Here we go. And now I see some clothes. Let's see. Learn about the Mayans. All right, as you can see, there is so much to explore in this museum, so keep on going.
Use the guided activities at planolibrarylearns.org to expand your visit at the museum. I hope you enjoyed this virtual field trip, and we will see you next time.